How to activate RBC credit card. Hi guys, welcome back to AI Plus More. Today I'll be showing you how to activate your RBC credit card on the RBC app. First, we're just going to enter our card number and password, or use your Face ID like I did. So when you're logged in, what we're going to do is click into our Visa account. Now that we're in the Visa account, you're going to see the activate your card. So we're going to click into activate now right over here. That's going to take you to a page that is enter expiry date. So we're just going to enter your expiry date that's on the bottom of your new card. Next, we're going to enter the CVV code that's found on the back of your card. We're going to click into next, and our card is now successfully activated. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys!